how to convert GGives to GCash without GPO. First, you want to launch the GCash app and log in using your credentials. Then go to the GGives section. So navigate to GGives. On the home screen, look for the GGives section. It is typically located on the main dashboard under Buy, Load, Pay Bills, or Borrow. Tap GGives, tap on the GGives section to access your installment plans. Then view your active GGives balance. Check your balance in the GGives section. You'll see your active installment plans and the remaining balance for each one. Then select the plan, choose the installment plan you want to convert, and view the available options for payment and redemption. Then pay off your GGives balance. To convert GGives to your GCash wallet, you must first pay off the outstanding balance on your installment plan. Here's how. Select Pay Now. Under the GGives section, you should see an option that says Pay Now or Pay Full Amount for your outstanding balance. Select a payment method. You can pay using funds from your GCash wallet, linked bank account, or other available payment methods. Then confirm the payment and then wait for the process time. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation notification from GCash once the payment is completed. Then check your GCash wallet. Go to Wallet after making the payment. Tap Wallet at the bottom of the app to check your available funds. Verify deposit. You should see the cleared amount from GGives reflected in your GCash wallet balance. Then enjoy the funds in your GCash wallet. If this helped you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.